Pero ngayong Pasko, we ask ourselves, paano nga ba ako maging God's love sa aking mga pamilya, kapamilya, sa aking mga katrabaho, sa aking mga kanegosyo, sa aking mga kaklase. Brother Patrick was sharing about his classmate earlier. And you asking that classmate, so kumusta ka? I believe that is being God's love to that classmate. Amen? Maybe you need to lend a listening ear to someone this Christmas. Maybe you need to open your closet and look for that beautiful clothing that you purchased some months ago or years ago that you just wore one time for all these years. Hindi nagagamit. Bakit nandun pa? Baka naman. Baka it's for other people pala. Maybe someone else need you. In that way, you become God's love.